your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, I'm Larry, and I'm with the Fort Worth Pen Club here in Fort Worth, Texas. And I'd like to invite each and every one of you to join the Fort Worth Pen Club. We're doing this a totally new way. We're going to open it up to everyone in the U.S. and abroad. You'll see the group on Facebook, and you can join through the group. So how do we meet? We're going to meet on Zoom Pen Hangout. And you will know the dates and the times when we're going to meet. We do have a lot of fun hanging out. We share our thoughts. We share our pens. We talk about the pens. What we like and don't like. Inks. Paper. Journals. Pen cases. Whatever. Just having a lot of fun. So, how long have we been with the Fort Worth Pen Club, Mr. Announcer?
3 years, I believe.
At least, yeah. And Janice, she's the one also head of the, in charge of the Pen Club. So we all kind of work together to keep this thing going. It's really a worthwhile project. A lot of fun, especially nowadays with this pandemic that we have. People like freaking out. They get house crazy. I mean, like house arrest and fear of going out and getting the virus. And I can dig that. I understand where they're coming from 1,000%. So they need something to do. They want something to do. They need an outlet. Well, that's why I thought, why don't we do this virtual, right? So that's what we're going to do. And, why not open it up where anybody who wants can join the Fort Worth Pen Club. Give them an opportunity. Open it up to anybody all over the world. And we can have a blast. Meet new people. They can meet us. Get to know them. It doesn't matter on what pens you have. That's entirely up to you. That can be 99-cent pen. That can be 1,000, 5,000, whatever. I just want to let everybody know that the Fort Worth Pen Club is going virtual. Is that correct, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
And we'll be on Zoom Pen Hangout. So I want to get this video on, get it posted, to start getting people ready, because we're going to have a Pen Club meeting. In fact, I'll tell you right now, I've got it in my book right here. Ta-da! It's going to be on December the 12th. Okay, the time it's going to be at 3 p. Central Time. Again, that's going to be on Saturday the 12th at 3 p.m. Central Time. And you will get the code so you can go into the Zoom room and Zoom with us. And, of course, passwords and passcodes and all that's very simple, very easy. Mr. Announcer, can you explain that to them?
All you have to do is look in the description underneath this video, and you will see the 2 codes that get entered. Go to zoom.com, enter the codes, and you'll be put into the lobby and wait there for a few minutes until we start the meeting. Then you will be let in.
And if you need help, you can just leave a message in the group that we're going to create on Facebook. Frank Overman is our room manager. He also helps me with my 2 groups that I have on Facebook. And they are Larry's Fountain Pens and Larry's Fountain Pens Pen Pal that I have on there. And I'm on all the social medias. So Frank really has done a tremendous job to helping me out doing that. Mr. Announcer does the camera work and does the computer work. So it takes a lot of people involved to keep this thing going. It's a lot of work. It's not just getting on here and doing a review and you're done. Then on my end, it takes a lot of work on my end to find the history that I need on the pen, the ink, or whatever I'm reviewing to get that out to you as correctly as I can. Okay? So be on the lookout if you're interested to join the Fort Worth Pen Club in Fort Worth, Texas. I'll talk to you later, folks. God bless. Be safe. Follow the rules. And as always, don't text and drive. Later, folks. Peace and love to you.